Whoa, what up, what's that? You already know the drill. Now today we're going to take a look at the Air Jordan 33 Future Flight. Now you see you got the white box, you got the circle with the black Jumpman on the top. On the side you got Engineered for Flight and kind of like a big font. On the side, the smaller side, you got the little circle with the white trim. You got the Engineered for Flight tag. On the other long side you got Engineered for Flight. There's a closer look at it. And here's a look at the tag. It's the Air Jordan 33. Now this is an 8.5. I don't have my size yet, so I'm gonna have to hold off on that on foot. Probably do the on foot tomorrow, you know what I'm saying? Now opening the box, you got the red guts, you got the black Jumpman, you got kind of like a matte finish on the whole box really. You know, now I don't know if you would call it a matte finish or what, but that's what I call it, you know what I'm saying? Now it comes with this card, the white card. On the other side is red. Now this card is pretty much to tell you about the locking system or the lacing system, whatever you call it. But enough of that, man. Here's the paper. You got like a chrome paper, silver finish. You got the Air Jordan 33 with the little writing that's on the side. You know what I'm saying? Y'all could pause that and read that for yourself, man. But it's the same thing that's on the side of the strap. Here it is, the Air Jordan 33 Future Flight. Now, I'm gonna keep it real with y'all, man. A lot of people sleeping on this shoe. You know, a lot of people just stuck on the retro thing. That's not me. See, I like to try out some of the newer innovation. You know what I'm saying? Because it's built more for the modern day build. You know what I'm saying? Like they be comfortable and whatnot. You know what I'm saying? But I'm feeling these, man. When I saw the pictures, I was like, I'm in. Let me get some. You know what I'm saying? Now, I know a lot of y'all might not like it, but that's your opinion. This me. I'm feeling them. Here's a look at the bottom. There's a better look at that locking system, which turns when you pull the strap. We'll get into that a little bit more later. I think it's a dope shoe, man. You know, you see you got the mesh running all around the upper. Pretty dope. On the medial side, you got the red strap. You got the unlocking system. I mean, it's dope, man. You got the Nike Air on the back for all the enthusiasts that like that. Here's that little plastic piece in the back with like some levels on it. It's dope. Gold Nike on the back. There's a look at that strap. It says Air Jordan 33 designed and engineered for the exact. Y'all, man, look. Y'all go ahead and check it out. Read it. I ain't got time for all that, man. There's a look at that release mechanism to get yourself out of the shoe. I'm feeling it, man. I think it's dope. You know, I know a lot of people been hating on the shoe, but I'm feeling it. There's that gold button with the Jumpman on it on the medial side. There's a look at that lacing system. Now they say they used parachute wire on that. I don't know if that's true or not. Here's that little tab on the side. It's like a nubuck. You know what I mean? With the red stitching on the inside. I think that's dope, man. I'm feeling that. I like the way those colors, you know what I mean? That's the typical Air Jordan white, black, and red Chicago Bulls colorway. You got the nubuck on the tongue. Here's a look at that pull mechanism, which I think is dope. Makes a sound when you pull it. You hear me? And when you release it. So, you know, I mean, like I say, I know a lot of people not really feeling this shoe, but I am. I'm a fan of it. You know what I'm saying? Now on this pull tab on the back, if you put something on it, you can see it says 33, and you put your finger right there. I think that's dope. On the inside, you have the red insole with the black Jumpman. Dope. On the inside tongue, you got Air Jordan 33, the red tag with the black writing. I mean, look, overall, man, I'm feeling the shoe, man. You know what I'm saying? So I ain't gonna take too much time on it, man. You know what I'm saying? That was my look at the Air Jordan 33 Future Flight. Let me know what y'all think in the comments, man. You feeling them? You not? Follow us on Instagram at PeddlersAir504, and I'ma holler back.